My brother, if you don't have Igbo blood in you right now, start go and looking one to put inside you, because the Igbos have a special gift of breaking record. Look at this our brother, wey mama na Igbo, wey him papa na Italy. They say the guy name na Ugochukwu. This guy don go win this FAI. Una know am na. Those people wey dey drive that small motor, wey dey do fian fian, you know that motor na. They say the guy don go break the record o, come win am. So him dey go the higher last one now to go compete over there. God really bless the Igbo people. We are always breaking record. Whether they born you for Igbo or they not born you for Igbo, anywhere we are, we always break record. My people, as this one they happen, they say that the Rochas Okorocha, the former governor of Imo State, don't call for Nnamdi Kanu unconditional release. Tell Akpabio, the Senate president, to say if you do not release Nnamdi Kanu, that they are going to take back their wife, because the Akpabio wife na Igbo woman. Say if they don't want to release Nnamdi Kanu, they carry their sister, give them back. My brothers and sisters, as we dey talk now, they say Nigeria army don enter inside wahala as they go assault one copper wey just dey go im own o, just because say they carry the copper just overtake their oga motor. E finish o, now they start dey give the guy both gbasa front and back. Things are happening. Let me bring you many videos, many updates wey dey here today wey we need to look inside before we come back and continue. Hear wetin Rochas Okorocha talk, and we will come back, come talk more things, join the matter.
Before the death of Iwanyanwu made a plea to Federal Republic of Nigeria. SDF went to Villa and begged Nigerian nation. Ifeanyuba made a statement in the same line. I want to say to you, my brother, in whom I'm well placed, Senate President, convey this one message on behalf of these Igbos who are seated, that the best way to honor this great young man is the release of Nnamdi Kanu. So that the Igbos can go home and reorganize their place. And I know you, Senator Akpabio, that even if you don't want to do it, send this message. For the sake of your wife, who is our daughter, send this message and get us a result. Or else, your wife is not too far from taking back home. Your Excellency, Mr. President, we are particularly happy that you are always coming to associate yourself with things like this. Nigeria still remains very grateful. Thank you, and God bless all of you. My people, my people. Our Owele.
Akpabio shokotalize as this man talk about say he go take his wife back. Now the man start to laugh. Things are really happening. But however, releasing Nnamdi Kanu, I believe that is going to bring 100% of tranquility in Southeast. So, my people, wanna share this video and also drop your own opinion for inside comment section. If you watch this video, there's something you have to understand in this message. I recommend Rochas Okorocha for this thing he said here. A lot of Nigeria cabals are here. A lot of senates, a lot of people, problem people, that is people that matters, are in this particular event that took in where Rochas made this statement. So this message, if none of them will say they did not hear it, they hear it clearly as I have said it here. My people, let us go and celebrate our brother Ugochukwu, our little brother Ugochukwu, who is Italian Nigeria. Come, don't talk Nigeria again, though. Italian Biafra Igbo. Just watch this video.
Well, before we end what's trending today, let us highlight race driving champion who has been dubbed as the next Lewis Hamilton, 17-year-old Ugochukwu, who just made history after winning the 2024 FIA-FR World Cup in our Good News Report. Nigerian-American racing driver Ugochukwu on Sunday won the crown at the 71st Macau Grand Prix, emerging as the first American driver to win the prestigious event in over 40 years. Ugochukwu was discovered at an early age as a car racing wonderkind. He started kart racing at the age of 6 in 2013. Ugochukwu was born in New York to a Nigerian supermodel, Oluchi Onweagba Olandi, and former fashion designer, Luca Olandi from Italy. In 2021, Ugochukwu was snapped up by McLaren for a multi-year contract. Ugochukwu led the Macau Grand Prix race with confidence from start to finish and will go on to compete in FIA Formula 1 3 in 2025.
The Macau Grand Prix winner for 2024 is Ugochukwu. Reputation. There is your Macau Grand Prix winner.
Can I just say, Ugochukwu is my godson. I have to say it. He's my best friend's son, and he's been doing phenomenal since he was 6 with so much tenacity, so much resilience. You can hear my pitch. I'm so high right now. I'm so excited. When I saw him win yesterday, I literally cried because I know what it took for him to win that race. Again, congratulations to my Ugochukwu. Rufai, you know we promoted him.
We promoted him here when he just started.
Yes,
so we
yes,
are seeing
yes.
the reward. Oji, don't worry.
Yes.
That's the way we celebrate your daughter, the tennis player,
Yes,
and your son, the basketball.
yes.
It's going to happen. Congratulations to him. And I'm happy he's in Nigeria doing well in Formula 1.
Yes.
His father might be tired, but he has Nigerian blood and in Formula 1.
Nigerian.
The next thing is Formula 1.
Yes.
And we can't wait for him to win Grand Prix
Inshallah.
with all the great teams. Yeah.
Well, absolutely.
Oluchi Onweagba
Yes.
is the mother.
Yeah, right.
You're a very good friend.
Yes, my very good friend.
You have every reason to say, oh, my son has done very well.
Well, all right.
Let's also give credit to the father.
Yes, too.
Lucas Olandi.
In fact, he is the manager.
Yeah,
Actually, he is the manager.
Let us give
Luca,
because you women,
well done.
when
Luca,
the children
well
do well,
all
you
right.
claim all the credit. You
I like
forget
to
we.
thank
If you have Biafra DNA or you have Biafra blood running in you, Omo, God really bless you. Don't know what God did for you. Please, I want my people to write congratulations to this our brother. Congratulations is what to write to Ugochukwu. Let him keep going and making us proud, even with this name alone. So I want to make a proper video concerning the names we give our children these days. The thing began to, I began to surprise what really happens. You understand? As I am right now, I don't even have English name because I am not an Englishman. So why do you give your pikin you give your pikin Chidinma, Venezia, then your surname? What is that Venezia? Why do you have two names? So what happened to Chidinma Ukwebu? What happened to Oluchi Udonna? And what happened to your, as in our names and our father's name? Why must we give Chidinma Lovett, Chidinma Mike, so David, all these things? So I don't know, in case of maybe a lot of people have done that mistake. Do not do it. Give your pikin that name, only that name you give him. give that your children, he clearly identify where he come from. So our people should stop this thing nonsense of English name immediately. Our people should stop it. It's not helping us in anywhere. So in Igbo, our Igbo name should be the name you give your children. It even makes sense that those nonsense names you are giving your children, Dorothy, this one, as in things that don't make the dog names. My people, let us jump inside another Bonga news where we get for our hand today. They say that one Biafra Liberation Army don't come outside. The concept message give hope to them and the bag. Just listen to waiting talk for this video before we come back and continue.
Aha, I wonder one again to get on it. I'm a wire handle the cook and a charger. Now I go. I'm a wire the cook. The cook only took. I only had it. I only had it. Huh? The question and not the way. Care the way. I get you about the only fucking. Well, that's actually I'm with fucking. I'm with. I get you with a body in. I know I can't answer. Huh? How much good in here? I made it here. How many? I have no idea. Oh, yeah, didn't. What I go? We let you know what I'm going to be. What I will ask Hannah and match. I'm on a chair, me, Karen. What the leader? We can answer, but the leader's now we handle it. Huh? I'm on the December 2nd day. I got auto. December 2nd. Oh, my hair quick. I got auto. What I go? What the motor What the motor Huh? Yeah, the cook at cook. I've been a domain. The one and the car, there was someone else. I don't know for. Then we go to I don't know for. The one the command the early lesson. I don't know for. I got in the hall of Biafra. Who does that? Randall down there, Bago. Paul, how Bago. Olewa. Onyami. Onyabala. What the water? Last night we have a Bago scenario. We handled it. Huh? I know, yeah. 2 days. 2 days, Chennai. And then I'll this month to go give. I have your Bennett Waraganaga. Wagyak. What I go? Yeah, go up with a demo. Agunarola. Purple. Now Tinubu and dirty, Agunarola. Oh, Saludo. I got no ha. What I go? Nagaha. Bye bye. Nagaha and board. I'm wagging with Nagaha. You got to go? I want to go sad. All right.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. Let us also watch this video where the Nigeria army, you see this kind of power that they in Nigeria. I don't know where all this nonsense have to stop. If I don't know, you see, hi God, why did we people learn nonsense from the white people? We don't even learn this thing we are doing to the white people. The white people come to colonize you people, and in fact, you people become useless. When I say do you know that in outside country, the governor of that place, you don't even know the governor. The governor may even be, he may have building close to you, driving bicycle past you every day. You don't even know him. So I don't know this mentality. We are just major. I am as in one of the top army commander is my friend. I don't even know that man have that such a rank until one day when we engage ourselves in a conversation as like we are talking and this man started now explaining who he is, that I have commanded many wars. He measures states I visited in Africa, that he is one who lead here, who go here, I was shocked. I so see this man that I'm sitting with every day have this kind of rank. It is in Nigeria now. You will see hundreds of army, military, police following him everywhere. So I think this is the nonsense the Biafran people have to punish. This thing carrying a leader for her as if he's God. It's not God. It's like a woman like you. It's not God. So the white man life, we imitated nonsense and dropped the best part of them. So let me show you the video before we come back and continue.
How did I pass your car? 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 Oh God! Jesus! Oh. Jesus! 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 Oh no! Jesus! Oh! I'm feeling fine. I'm feeling fine. He's not feeling. That's why he's driving. I just come down. Jesus! Talk. Jesus! Jesus! What can you see? What they did to my eye? Are you seeing? Bring this one. Why is somebody? Give me this one.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. Please, I want you to share this video. You see, this is one of the things we are saying. You see how whether I call it useless, I will call them also where they give for Nigeria, saying the military and the police and all force, all of them are useless. People, no entity, people that can't even think. Could you imagine? So someone overtake your guy, finish, you don't become problem. Then if they leave this guy with those people where they here, all of them, any of them feel hold that guy because you wear uniform, you are in group. If you talk now, people will shoot them, say he's attacking you, he's a terrorist, he's this, looking for what to call. Yeah? That's how one useless one day, one do anyhow. I tell them, say no problem. I know where I go with you. That time, no go there with God. When time reach, no be need down they beg. Nonsense people everywhere. I beg when I share the video, I make sure say they follow the channel so that you will get updates back to back.